wondered why some presentations leave you convinced and inspired while others are just a blur? Well, today we're going to unravel the fascinating science behind that. Just imagine having the power to captivate any audience, to sway hearts and minds with every single word. In the next few minutes, we're going to unravel the secrets of masterful persuasion that even the world's most influential speakers use. From politicians to CEOs, persuasion is a game changer in every realm you can think of. And guess what? You're just about to learn how it can change your game as well. Whether you're pitching an idea, selling a product, or inspiring a movement, knowing how to deliver a compelling presentation is absolutely crucial. So in my opinion, what makes the presentation so convincing or persuasive isn't just about the looks or charisma of the speaker or the flashy slides. It's a complex blend of psychology, rhetorical finesse, and impeccable timing. And when it comes to persuading your audience effectively, I actually have 6 principles for you that you can incorporate in your speech/presentation. 1. Give and you shall receive. The principle of reciprocity is deeply ingrained in human psychology and social interactions. In presentations, it translates to offering something of value to your audience before expecting anything in return. And this, of course, could manifest in various forms such as providing valuable insights, actionable advice, or exclusive resources relevant to your audience's interests or needs. By giving generously upfront, you establish a sense of goodwill and obligation among your audience. They feel more inclined to reciprocate by engaging with your message, supporting your ideas, or even taking desired actions such as buying your product or services. Reciprocity fosters a positive relationship dynamic between the presenter and the audience, leading to deeper engagement and greater receptivity to persuasive appeals. 2. You've probably heard this one many times. Less is more. People crave what they perceive as scarce. The law of scarcity taps into the basic human desire for what is perceived as rare or exclusive. When it comes to presentations, scarcity can be strategically leveraged to heighten the perceived value of your message or offering. This could involve emphasizing limited time offers, exclusive access to information or resources, or highlighting the unique features or benefits of your product/service that set it apart from competitors. And by creating a sense of urgency or exclusivity, you stimulate the fear of missing out, aka FOMO, among your audience, motivating them to act swiftly to secure the perceived scarce opportunity. Scarcity drives demand and enhances the attractiveness of your presentation, making it more compelling and persuasive to your audience. 3. Speak with confidence and showcase expertise to win over your audience. Authority is about establishing yourself as a credible and trustworthy source of information in your field. And authority is conveyed through your demeanor, knowledge, and presentation style. Confidence in your delivery, backed by your expertise and experience, commands respect and attention from your audience. You can establish authority by sharing relevant qualifications, professional achievements, or experiences that demonstrate your deep understanding of the topic at hand. Additionally, citing reputable sources, industry data, or success stories reinforces your credibility and positions you as a trusted expert. When your audience perceives you as an authority figure, they are more likely to accept and be persuaded by your message, which leads to greater influence and impact. 4. Start small, build trust, and establish patterns that resonate with your audience. Consistency involves aligning your presentation content with your audience's existing beliefs, values, or behaviors. By starting with ideas or concepts that resonate with your audience's worldview, you create a foundation of trust and familiarity. This allows you to gradually introduce new information or perspectives that build upon their existing knowledge or commitments. Consistency in your messaging, tone, and delivery style reinforces the trust and rapport you've established with your audience, making it easier for them to follow your narrative and accept your persuasive appeals. Consistent reinforcement of key themes or ideas throughout your presentation helps establish patterns that resonate with your audience, further enhancing their receptivity to your message and increasing the likelihood of desired outcomes.